So let's talk a little bit about your company. So where does OPC really focus its attention? Where are you guys really, really doing a good job for your customers?
So we basically divide our portfolio into two pieces. We've got our heavy duty air brake program, which is air disc, the entire wheel end package, which is your pads, rotors, calipers, and chambers. And then the S-Cam, which are stop boxes, which, two shoes and a hardware kit, and individual hardware kits for those that buy shoes in bulk. And then also the chambers that go along with it, this service and spring brakes. We're not focusing on a huge broad offering. We want to focus on what we know, what we're good at, and bring, maximum value to, a relatively narrow portfolio to what we know what we're doing. On the medium duty side, it's a little bit broader because it's the entire brake system offering. So that would also, include your pads or shoes, drums or rotors, all your ancillary hydraulics, whether it be master cylinders or wheel cylinders or calipers, also brake hoses, sensors. Now that, years ago, there was no such thing as sensors and sensor wires and all that stuff, but that's an important component on a lot of the newer applications. So we have to make sure that we can provide that so that you do the brake job properly. So we have a complete portfolio of those products on medium duty. The other quandary in medium duty is where does the line get drawn? What's light duty? What's medium duty? What's commercial vehicle? What's not? I took the dumbed down approach. It is from F-150 on up. Never fails. You walk into a fleet. I have a medium duty program. It starts at F-450 and the guy points at a bunch of, 250 and 350 Super Duties. And you're like, oh boy. So, we just decided let's cover the whole thing, makes it easy. And that way, particularly for a heavy duty distributor who, may not have access to a passenger car brake program, it enables them to go into some of those lighter platforms that they otherwise might not have access to from what some of the other heavy duty guys who dabble in medium duty do. So I think we have a much more comprehensive offering there, particularly as it comes to last mile delivery. That's a huge and growing market. Your ProMasters, your Sprinters, your Transits. We do an excellent job of covering that all the way through the most current applications.